Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 15 we can change by 16 minus number 1. Next, we know that this one we can change by identities. So that is about x plus 4 to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x plus 4 equals to 10 secant of t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have secant of t squared minus 1, and later that we change this one into 10t squared. The square root we have 10t. Later that we simplify by dx. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have secant of t 10t dt. So I will put this one cone here, and this one cone here. Dx we change by this one. This one we have 10t squared. The square root of this one we have 10t. And now we can simplify. And this one we have t. About t, that is about this one. So we have t equal to arc secant of x plus 4. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.